Homes were threatened in Malibu Wednesday as wildfires move quickly, fueled by strong winds and dry conditions. The fire has spread to at least 50 acres at the time of this recording, and firefighters warn residents in mountain and foothill communities to be ready to evacuate. Authorities closed the Pacific Coast Highway as firefighters fought to contain the fire. The National Weather Service in Los Angeles reported winds of more than 50 miles per hour and says drought conditions are contributing to the fire's growth. The service cautioned high winds could persist into Thursday, making the area prone to extreme and life-threatening fire behavior. Northwest of Los Angeles, the rapidly spreading mountain fire grew to 250 acres Wednesday, forcing multiple communities to evacuate in Ventura County. So far, there are no reports of any injuries. For more on this story, download the Straight Arrow News app or visit us online at san.com. For Straight Arrow News, I'm Kara Rucker.